Y'all know what time it is. Let's go. Hit it. Holy shit. Oh my goodness.
Travel on your own on a retro trip.
Probably the only downfall about having this 93 tune is that right there. Holy moly. I think it cuts you off at 100. Look at that. Authorization limit reached. That is hilarious. All right, round 2 of this. Let's put it back in and get some more gas. Hold on. Okay, so about $105 later, we now have a full tank of gas. So I don't know if I'm gonna be running this tune forever, but man, that's crazy. All right, guys, so as you can tell, I just went ahead and pumped 93 gas, and it took $107 to fill up. I didn't realize my tank was that big. I thought I had like a 26-gallon tank. Man, this tank is like 33, 34 gallons, so it's pretty big. But the good thing about having the tune, the can tune or the email tune, the way I got it, you can always go back to 87 if you want to, if gas prices get too expensive for you. So that's what I like about it, just the option to switch in between. But like I said, now I'm gonna go ahead and install the tune really quick. I'm not gonna show y'all that whole process because I just did on the last video. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. And so basically I'm gonna just bring y'all on when the tune is finished, just about finishing up, and then we gonna go ahead and hit the road. Hopefully I'm running out of sunlight here, so hopefully I can do it today. If not today, I definitely do it tomorrow. So here we go. I done actually lost sunlight because actually I went inside my homeboy house really quick. And you can see back there, that's where I went in to go pick up. So we'll talk about that another time. But I got the tune installed. It actually did give me an error one time, guys. It told me that it was unable to install the tune, and it returned it to stock. So I just unplugged everything and tried it again, and it worked. So I think it worked. Is everything tuned fine, successful? So let's see. I'm going to turn the light off. You may not be able to see me. I apologize. I wanted to get this at another time, but right now I am about to drive home, and it's gonna be my first reaction, so I just want to go ahead and get all of it. Let me see if I turn the light off. Yeah, you might not be able to see me, but that's okay. So this is the first drive, no sport mode, anything like that. Let's see. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh snap. So instantly I can already tell the difference. Holy! What? I can't even make this reaction up. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me stop really quick. Bro, I'm sorry, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is not real. Holy shit. Okay, I'm driving my light on, but hopefully I don't get pulled over. So let's see. I'm gonna take it nice and easy. Goodness. What the hell? Oh my goodness. Bro, I can't. What? That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think my speedo is fixed too. It wants to take off. Goodness. Let me see something. Oh my God. What, bro? This is a completely different truck. Holy. Okay, so I'm turning live real quick because I'm on city streets and I don't want to get pulled over, and you guys can see me anyway. All right, so just under normal driving conditions, I mean, shifting gears fine. I'm in 4th gear right now and I'm going about 40. RPMs are at about 1,500, guys, in 4th gear. Okay, so I'm about to just give it partial throttle right here. Holy snaps. Holy shit. Bro. Oh my goodness. Oh snaps. Bro, I'm calling out everybody. Look, Toxic XRT, Tall Got Cars View in the Bloody Cat, Living with Mozzie in the Hellcat. It's just the six. Man, I'm calling everybody out. Who else I call out? Oh man, Auto Vlog, Bring the Ferrari. We calling everybody out, baby. This thing. Oh my goodness. Look, cop. Right there. See him? Yeah. I'm glad I slowed down. Man, police everywhere over here. I think my speedo is fixed though, guys. It feels like it is. I could be wrong. So I'm actually about to get onto a on-ramp right here. Let me slow down, get these cars in front of me some space, and we go see what happens. Hopefully nobody try to cuss me off. Slow down a little more. Slow down. All right, here we go up there. All right, here we go. Hit it. Holy shit! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! What? Bro, that is insane. Guys, I'm in love. Did y'all just see that? This thing was spinning in like third or fourth gear. Oh, is that a cop behind me? No, it's not a cop. Oh, I thought that was a cop. Okay, no, it's not a cop. Is that a cop? Okay, no, not a cop. Bro, did y'all see that? Oh my goodness. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Let me try again. All right, we cruising on the interstate right now by 58. I got some space in front of me. Let's just hit it and see. Holy, look at that. What? Initial thoughts, it's fast, very fast. I do gotta do some experimenting with it because I want to know, like, if I put it in sport mode, does that change the tune, or does that make it even, does that amplify everything? Not sure. I'll do some more research on that, and probably be another video. God, this thing just wants to take off. I mean, I just put my foot on it and like instantly you can tell. Jeez. Let me try to get him, see. Just a little. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Oh, I'm about to take the long way home, baby. I'm taking the long way home. You gotta play with this thing some more. And oh my gosh. And on that note, guys, actually I do want to tell y'all something. When you get your tune, it does let you know that you're gonna experience some abrupt shifting and maybe some unnormal driving characteristics due to, one, the car is learning the tune, and then two, is learning me how I drive. So the car is relearning everything. So depending on how aggressive I am, it's gonna learn all that. So just keep that in mind when you're driving. But I can tell you right now, man, this thing is pleasant so far. But you definitely can feel it want to take off, which is crazy. This is where I'm gonna try to get my run in at right here, guys. So let's see. You ready? Let's see real quick. Go around me, car. Okay, that's not a cop, is it? Nope. All right, here we go. 0 to go. Ready? Oh my gosh! My tires are spinning! Holy shit! What? Bro. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Usually a cop right here, so I'm not gonna hit it too long. I just want to step on it just a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at, the needle goes almost to 6. And I'm at 60 just like that. Oh my goodness, bro. All right, guys, so I'm back at the house. And when I tell y'all that this truck is stupid fast, bro, I mean, stupid fast. I want to put it on the dyno to see what it can do now, man. I can't even explain it. It's tame, it's drivable, but the truck, it feels more like in gear. It feels like it's riding like it should the whole time, if that makes sense. Like, I can't explain it. I think my speedo is corrected, but it just feels different. Of course, I'm talking about the horsepower, but it feels more in line. I can't explain it. Everything just feels way more in line. I mean, look at this thing, man. I mean, that's Big Red sitting there. Not only is she sexy, but she is now moving. She was already moving before. She is now moving. But that's all I got, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I ain't gonna make it too long. I'm pretty sure there'll be some more experience with the tune, but it just wants to, it's redlining at almost like 6,500 RPMs. It's insane. I can't explain it, man. Y'all just gotta, I definitely recommend, I ain't gonna say that just yet. Let me get some more experience with it. But the MPT tune, oh my goodness, man. It's, oh my gosh. Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, so y'all just stay tuned for more videos. We gonna try to get some race. I'm gonna race somebody and see what this truck can do. But that's all I got. I'll catch y'all on the next. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.